Hi, everybody. Welcome to day two at the Virtual Process Show. I'm delighted to be joined by Dominik, Hegen, who is the product manager at HERMETIC-Pumps. And we're going to do a chat with Chowdhury with him to talk about the show. So, hi, Dominik. How are you?
I'm fine. Hello, Rizwan.
It's
How are
lovely.
you?
Well, very good. Lovely to see you at the virtual show. I can see you're very, very busy. How was yesterday for you at the show? Because I know we're in day two now. So, how did you find the show yesterday?
The show yesterday started well. We had a lot of visitors on our virtual booth. The introduction of the software went well. The team of Lumiters did a very good job, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the week.
Fantastic. Well, I won't keep you long, because I'm sure, because the show has started now, so you want to get back to the booth. So what I want to do before we start talking about what you're showing at the show is to give people an idea what hermetic pumps do and a bit of a background on the business, if you can give me that.
Mhm. Our booth will present an overview on applications and different pumps, designs, and pump concepts, from customized to standard pumps. Hermetic is a market-leading pump manufacturer, which was founded in 1866. So, as you see, a lot of experience there in manufacturing pumps. We have about 735 employees worldwide. Our headquarters is stationed in Germany, where we have a very modern pump test facility.
Right.
But we also do manufacture in China, and we have, of course, sales offices all over the world. Our key focus lies in sealess-driven centrifugal pumps with a Kent motor, and we provide solutions for difficult pumping tasks in the chemical, petrochemical industries, but also in nuclear power plants and in industrial refrigeration.
Right. Okay. Well, that's quite interesting. I mean, and looking at the pump market, which I know very little about pumps as such, is how has the market developed, and how has COVID impacted you as a business over the last 6 months or so?
Well, COVID, right now we don't feel the impact as much, but we experience that our customers stopped the big projects, but we are still doing fine. And right now we take the chance in times like these to have a more digital approach to our customers, to make sure that they can reach us, that they still can get in contact with us, and then that they get every information that they need.
So, I mean, I'd plan to ask this question, but actually now that we're talking about it, it's quite interesting. Obviously, you've got, like you said, quite big pieces of equipment for quite big processes. So how do you support customers in this current climate then, which you said you've gone down the digital route? So what support do they get?
We support our customers right now with a very huge program of webinars, so that they can make sure that their employees can inform themselves about our technology, about the advantages of our technology. And of course, we assist them with any advice they need. And we try to make it as easy as possible for them to get access to all informations they need during their process.
Right, okay. Now, looking at the virtual process show, why did you choose to participate?
For us, it's a way to keep in contact with new customers and try out a more digital approach, as I mentioned before. So we always see ourselves from a customer's point of view, and we want to make it easy for our customers to have access to information about products and even to get in touch with us.
Right, okay. And you mentioned you're doing, obviously highlighting different pumps at the show. So is there anything particularly that's new at the show that you're highlighting?
We will present, as I mentioned before, an overview on applications and different pump designs and pump concepts. Hermetic was known in the market for heavy-duty applications and a very strong focus on customization. What we want to do now is we want to show our customers that with our new product lines like the V line and the S line, we are also attractive for customers with a focus on price and delivery time. So we want you to know that from customized to standard pumps, we have a whole variety of solutions.
Right, okay. And what makes your solutions unique then to other pump manufacturers?
What sets us apart from the rest of the pump industry is a very unique design of our pumps.
Right.
So we produce canned motor pumps, which are best in class when it comes to safety and reliability. We have the lowest mean time between failure rates and very low maintenance intervals, which also gives us a huge advantage in life cycle costs.
Right. And are you guys speaking at all? Which you mentioned webinars. Are you guys speaking at the show with any webinars?
Yes, we have one webinar. The title will be How to Find the Right Centrifugal Pump for Your Process. We want to meet our customers where they are on their customer's journey. So we begin with the first step of the journey, and this is the selection of a centrifugal pump. So in this webinars, plant designers or engineers will learn how to select a centrifugal pump that matches the requirements of their application. It will also include a comparison of canned motor pumps with other pump technologies, and will give a view on what is the most safe and reliable technology when you are dealing with critical fluids.
Fantastic. And when is that?
The webinars will be shown 3 times, starting today, and 2 webinars will be tomorrow. I hope you will you will have the data shown in the link here in LinkedIn.
Brilliant. I like that.
So the webinar will be shown 3 times. So no matter which time zone, there will be option to take part in.
Fantastic. Well, look, I know you need to get back to the booth now. I've taken enough of your time talking about this. So all I'd say to everybody is, if you haven't registered, please register. It's very, very easy. It takes a few seconds. The whole show is free. And then you can find out more about what Dominik's been talking about. Have a talk to them on the booth. The booth is very interactive. There's a chat box, but there's also video interaction and very other ways to interact with the team on the booth. So I'd highly recommend it. It's definitely worthwhile popping in and having a chat with the booth. As Dominik says, there are webinars running as well. What I will do is I will put a link to the booth, to the timings of the webinars, and also obviously to register for the show. And if you've got any questions for Dominik specifically about what he's spoken about today, then feel free to put some comments below the video as well. So all that's left for me to say is, Dominik, thank you very much for taking the time out to talk to me. I know it's a bit bizarre doing a show, but actually the one thing is, while you can't see people coming, you never know when they're going to come because it's virtual. So you have to be at your desk waiting for that sudden pop-up email alert that someone's walked into your booth. You can't walk away from your desk.
Yes.
You never know when someone's going to come in. So unlike where if you're in a booth, you've got someone manning it and you can disappear for 5 minutes to get a coffee or something like that. So I hope you have a great second day and a great show as well. And thank you very much for taking the time out to talk to me.
Thank you very much.
It was lovely talking to you. And to everybody else, as always, I hope you found that useful. Look out for more videos from the show, and stay well and stay safe until next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Rizwan.
Bye-bye.